Video number 5 in Detox series. Best detox workouts. While you're taking care of your nutritional intake during a cleanse, you also want to get your heart rate up and introduce some physical activity into your routine. Working out during a detox helps in a multitude of ways. It stimulates your lymphatic flow, helps with circulation, strengthens your respiratory system, and promotes sweating, which releases toxins. It also improves kidney, liver, and digestive tract functionality, which aids in the detox process. Remember, though, you are most likely taking in fewer calories this time around, so don't overdo it. You want to make sure you are continually listening to your body and stopping when you feel you've reached your limit. Exercise also aids in your mental clarity, which can help push away cravings. Here are some excellent workouts you can do during your detox. Make it a goal to raise your heart rate and break a sweat. Yoga. Meditation. Low-impact bouncing or rebounding. Light cardio such as walking, hiking, or quick interval routines. Foam rolling. Dancing. Low-impact cardio doesn't have to be boring. Push yourself to work out even in the beginning, when you are going through the initial detox of the addictive toxins in your body. You may not feel like it at first, but it can help pull you out of the funk and keep you motivated to keep pushing through. Exercise has a fantastic effect on mental health. Besides, sweating out the toxins might speed up that initial withdrawal.